Welcome back to Sylvester Keel, everyone. Today we're going to show you one of the most versatile blenders on the market. We've got the Ceado B285 and today we're going to make you a strawberry milkshake. So typically in a coffee bar, if you was going to make a milkshake, you'd have a variety of spindle type mixers on the back bar there. So we're going to show you how to do it today in the same piece of equipment that we've made cocktails with in the past, so you can really get the most out of one bit of kit. So the newer models coming into the market now are Bluetooth function, which works perfect with the Ceado app. We're going to be using the app today to get the recipe for our strawberry milkshake. So we're going to lift up the soundproof hood here. I'm going to draw your attention to the stainless steel blades in the 1.5 litre jug, which will be perfect for the ice that we're going to crush up today in our milkshake. The unit also boasts a fantastic LED screen with 6 pre-programmable functions, a speed up and speed down function, as well as a pulse setting on there. So there we have it, a strawberry milkshake in a stylish artist glass. If you'd like a free demo or think this unit is something that you would be interested in, very versatile for your front of house needs, get in touch, we'd be happy to come and do a free demo.